Okay, hello. This video is to try to some experiment, not experiment. My car, my Cybertruck 25 have the when I park, cross with the sun, not cross actually direct to the sun in the morning, and they put a warning. They say front camera, need to be clean. So this front, this mean here, the glass in here need to be clean. I saw some video to take this off, but actually I don't know how to do it. They show me some, but now I do it myself, and maybe I can show you guys how to do it. But maybe the step is not have to be stuck up a little bit. But this is how process. All my tools, I don't know this tool. I have the needle here, and I bought this one. This one it come with the stereo. When I bought the aftermarket stereo on eBay, and they sent me with it for my old car to replace. And they sent me some prior like plastic one. They sent me a lot. I don't know. But I don't think I use them all. I think we just use this one, maybe, and this one, because the price flash here. That I think. And small screw. I saw they show some hex or star, but I will show in here later. But now I have basically you have a flashlight, right? You see this one, right? If you want to take off the rear mirror, here you can see they have the clip right here, right? Okay, let's see how to pry it open. Maybe this video takes longer than we need, but let's see. I don't know how to put it up. Let me put this one up. Okay. Right. Okay, I think this one is supposed to be up here. And I don't know how to just work on this one. But I have to set up my camera first, so a little bit itchy here. Let's see. I can do this or not. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, right. To try to set up. I have to take this up. Okay, right. I don't know how to do it yet, but I saw right here. Yep, you pry a little bit, they come off. Not broken. Oh, they have a clip. And they're coming out, but let's see. Alright, let me take this one. Yeah, the clip. Right. See the clip here? I don't know how to take this. Oh! See. Let's see. Oh. Just like this. Oh, so this one is like this one. Alright, the clip here. When you pry this open, to pry a little bit hard and they come off. So put it here, right? And in here, I think they have this like the hex. I don't know. I cannot see anything. I'll have to take this off. Let me see. Open the seat. Oh, okay. There you hear. You have the thing here. Put it here. The seat. Oh, okay, right here. Right. You see this one here, right? Okay. I put this one here. Put it pry down. See? I pry down. There are two here. To pry down. They coming off. You see that, right? Let's see. That's. I don't know. It's still hard to take out. I don't know they have anything. That's why people look so easy, but for me it's harder. See? Oh, for me right here, I think that's good enough. Alright? Good enough to take this one out. I don't know, I don't want to touch anymore, but this is good enough to take this one out, to clean it and put it back. Let's see. Right. Oh, you just try a little bit. They have the clip one here. Oh shit, it broke. Oh, you can hold it here. Shit, be careful. I broke this. Clip, where is it? Damn. See, this clip. I broke it. So that means you have to pop it in. Man. Oh, you pop this one in. Just pop both sides and they come down. Shit. That's a piece of cake. And now you use, I use this one and with towel. Put it back. When you put it back, I think you have to slide. They have two clips here. Yeah. They have two clips here. Let me show you how. Right. Oh. Slide down. Oh, right here. Right here, right? Let me see. Let me show you how to put it back. There are the clip. You can see. There's the clip here. You slide both in here. Right. For my hand is one. Okay. Oh, you can slide. Let's see. I have one hand, I cannot do it, so I have to. Oh, this is the hole. Let's see. Oh, they have the, you know, the pin right here. I don't know. I don't know if you can see it. Let me put up here. Let me take it out. Right. When they dang here, you see that the hook here. Right. The clip here, they have to be the hole. Like you push in here. Right. Yep. You can feel it come through the hole and pop it up. Pop it up right here. Yep. Right here. I just. Oh, only one side. Not both sides. See, clip. You see clip back. Oh. Okay. Now they clean. I try put it back. See, I pop this one back. And I just do a little bit, open a little bit. This one, I don't know. I cannot open all. I don't want to. If I can get rich here and I can remove this, pull it down. And now I pull it back. So I broke this clip. That's why the second person maybe enjoy don't broke this, but it's fine. See, put it back easy and clip back, just back, and I don't know. I don't know, maybe it's good now. And now, actually I use this T20, remember this T20, not T15, okay? This T20 exactly right here. But this mirror, this one wire, don't worry, this one, I don't think this one is, this wire, the wire one, I don't know what this for. This is like plastic, just hook here. It's not like electrical wire or anything, just nothing. But I don't know, I don't think we need this piece of shit here. But you can, I think I put it up here first. Put this up here, and up. I just slide into here. Yep. Yep. Put my screw in here. Oh, maybe cover camera. Oops. You can feel it. Maybe the second person is too faster. Oop. Enough tight. That's it. This is why this one maybe tied it back. Feel this so too moving but already tight. And this one up here in the back here. And pop up. That's it. What up? Click. Done. Piece of shit took me almost 2 hours to clean this. But next time take me only 15 minutes. Hey, good luck guys.